Stroll, a slow and casual walk with no specific destination. Examples. Where are Grandma and Grandpa? They went for a stroll around the park. Where did you go this morning? I couldn't sleep, so I got up and went for a stroll. I'm so bored right now. What should we do? We could go for a stroll around the block. What are we doing after church? Oh, I don't know. We might go for a stroll along the river. More examples. They go for a stroll together every Saturday morning. She works in an assisted living home and takes the patients for strolls in the afternoon. As they were strolling along the canal, they saw 2 swans. Their daily stroll was interrupted when they got an emergency call and had to rush home. As they were strolling through the countryside, they saw the farmhouse they would later buy. I saw Anne going for a stroll with her dog yesterday.